Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change address on SHEIN. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your address on SHEIN, here is a clear and easy way. So you can simply change your address before placing an order. So during checkout, when you are in the checkout screen, look for your current address under shipping addresses. Simply tap on that and click on edit or add new address to update it right before confirming your purchase. So once you have saved it, you can simply go through it by going to your address book in your settings. However, you can also update address after placing order. So for this, you need a quick action. Once the order is placed, you have a short window before it ships. So you need to go to My Orders, select your order, and if it's still in processing or awaiting shipment, tap Edit or Change Shipping Address. Now you can simply enter your new address, save, and you are done. So by doing this, you can change address on SHEIN. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.